Good morning, children. As you can see here in the first column, it has been written expressions. In the second column, you have to identify terms, and in the last column, you have to write down the coefficients. So, first of all, we have to write down terms. As you have learned that terms are the parts of expressions which are separately formed first and then added together. So here you can say that 4x square was formed separately and then it was added to minus 4z. Now write down the terms. So the terms will be x square y and minus 4z. Here the coefficients will be in x square y. You can see in x square y, you can see the numeric part is 4. So coefficient of 4x square y will be 4 and coefficient of minus 4z will be minus 4. Similarly, in 9x plus 2, the terms will be 9x, comma 2. Now here the coefficients of 9x will be 9. Now we are going to study about like terms and unlike terms. So the terms of algebra expressions in which there are same factors. So you can see here the factors are x and y. Here also the factors are x and y. So they are said to be like terms. Now unlike terms. Here you can see 9xy. The factors are 9xy and here the factors are z, x and minus 2. So the variables should be same. Here you can see that only x is same and other are different. So they are unlike terms. Means you have to compare the variable part. The variable part should be same. If they are same, then they are like terms, and if they are different, then they are unlike terms. Now we are going to study about monomial, binomial and trinomial. When an algebraic expression have only one term, when it is having only one term, you can see here there is only one term, they are called monomial. Similarly, when algebraic expression have two terms, then they are said to be binomial. When an algebraic expressions are having three terms, you can see here there are three terms x, y and z. Here also there is three terms. So this is said to be trinomial. And binomial, monomial and trinomial together they are said to be polynomial. So we can say that polynomial. So we can say that in polynomial the expression can have one or more terms. So we can say that and in polynomial the expression will have one or more terms. So monomial, binomial and trinomial, they are all said to be polynomial.